Michelle here with Straw-Bearie.com. I'm a teacher, I'm a crafter, and I'm a DIYer. And today I'm going to show you some of the cool stuff that I picked up at Tuesday morning and at Hobby Lobby. And hopefully I'm going to make something with it too. I ventured out into the world and I found myself at a different Tuesday morning than I would normally shop at. The one that is closest to me, they had like zero crafting supplies the last time I went there, and I was really disappointed. So I felt like I found like almost the mecca of crafting supplies at this Tuesday morning, and I was so excited. I think everything that I bought at Tuesday morning was on clearance. So the first thing I bought were these curtains. So not really a crafting supply, but they will go for my crafting studio. They are white. They have little polka dots with little silver trim. There's 4 panels in here, and it was at 50% off from $39.99, so they were $20. And I will be doing a craft room tour hopefully soon. I still haven't finished all of my craft rooms, so that's why I haven't done a tour yet. Okay, now on to the crafty goodness. So I believe everything with the yellow tag was 20% off. So I got these really cute little chipboard pieces. I think those are really cute. Okay, this one was not on sale, but it was only $1.99 for these chipboard pieces. I just thought they were so cute. And I think I already own the paper pack that goes with this pack of chipboard. So I'm really excited to look for that and see if I can put the two together. I also got this chipboard, so I was kind of into the chipboard things. I thought it was really cute. It's got like a camera and some flip-flops and a bicycle, and I just thought that was adorable. And so then I bought some stamps, and I had to limit myself because I had a whole bunch of other stuff in my cart, and I was like, no, I cannot spend that much today. So these stamps, normally $2.99, they were 20% off, and I thought the hot air balloon and everything, that was just so cute. These are by Bo Bunny and a bicycle. And then these were also $2.99 from Bo Bunny plus 20% off, and they are some flowers, different styles of flowers, and it looks like this one and this one you could put together to do like a 2-color stamping. So I'll try that out and see if that works. And then I'm kind of a sucker for alphabet stamps. I have a bunch, and I don't even use them as much as I probably should, but I saw these alphabet stamps that have both the capitals and the lowercase letters in cursive, and I thought that those were just adorbs. And that's what I got at Tuesday morning. I didn't spend, a whole lot on all this stuff, trying to watch the budget, but pick up a few things at the same time. Okay, so next is Hobby Lobby. So I got this drying mat. Now, when I went into Hobby Lobby I guess it was before quarantine, and I picked up a tray in the same pattern and some dish towels, and I just love them, and that all of their stuff that says the spring shop was on 50% off sale, and so this drying mat, normally $5.99, was just $3, and I was looking for a drying mat anyway, and now it goes with my other stuff, so I thought that was a cool thing to get. I got this from the Paper Studio. Everything from the Paper Studio was on sale for 40% off, and it has die cuts and paper and stickers and gems and letters. It's just a whole kit with a bunch of different things, and so I'm really excited to make something with that. And let's see. Oh, okay. So I got a couple little bottles of paint. Their paints were I had a lot of holes in them. There weren't a whole lot of paints. I keep running out of white, so I got myself a big, just cheap white craft paint. I've been running out of black, so I got myself a black one. And they didn't have a whole lot of different pinks, but there was one lady who was saying recently that if you have like a magenta, then you can make like all these other shades of pinks and then add some blues and make purples, and it's just a really good color. And this isn't exactly magenta. This is called hot pink, but it was about all they had in pinks, and I knew I needed some more pink paint. So I got that. And then last of all, they have all their 4th of July decorations out, and I think they were on sale for 40% off. And so I got this one that says Home of a Soldier, and it was just $1.99. And that's, I believe, everything that I got. And I'm really excited to make something from this, and I don't know what yet. So hopefully I'll add it to the rest of this video for you. It'll be momentarily. I started out with these 2 chipboards. This one's called Soak Up the Sun by Cartabella and Summer Bliss by Echo Park. And I knew that I already owned some paper that would match almost perfectly. I picked up years ago. It's called #Summer, and you would think that they were made by the same company because this is made by American Crafts, but it matches so completely, especially I would say with the Soak Up the Sun one, but both of them really, they look like they all go together and like they were all made by the same company. Anyway, so I took those and I made some cards, and very, very simple. So here's one of my cards. So this is just some of the paper with one of the chipboards, and then this actually came from the other set that I had, which I have a whole nother video on. Okay, this one I mixed and matched some of the chipboards from both of the things. So I took the sun and the scooter from the one and the tree from the other and just added a happy birthday, added a little, actually this paper down here is from, you know how when you have your 6x6 paper packs and you have like this little piece at the top? That's what that was. And I just took it and kind of cut it in a curve on both sides and put them together so it looks a little bit like a hill for that grass, and then this blue background. And the next one I made is this one, and I just cut some hills into some paper. So this one I used just some different paper that was blue, but with those chipboards. Here's one using the paper in the paper pack and the chipboard, and I just, you know, it's simple, but it's really cute just the way it is. Here's another one, just using the chipboard and some paper and a stamp to say happy birthday. So I'm going to have a lot of birthday cards now. And then finally, this is the other one that I created, again, with just some chipboards and a little bit of paper. So I had a really fun time doing this and making these cards, and I just had all the supplies sitting out on my desk for like a week so that whenever I had some time I could come in here and the supplies were already out. And it's really freeing when you're trying to use just limited supplies, because then you're not going, oh, what do I have? Where's that at? I don't know what to do. I've got too much stuff. But if you're saying, okay, we are just making cards using these chipboards stickers as our, you know, our main focus, then that really helps you. I will say that I had to add adhesive to the back of these stickers. They weren't really sticky enough to stay on their own for both sets. So in my haul, the one packet was some papers and some stickers and some die cuts, and it was really like a scrapbooking kit, I guess, but I used it to make cards, and I was going to put it on this video, but I have over 10 cards already, so I'm going to make a whole separate video with just that so you can see what I did. That should be up in the next week, so check back. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so you can see what I ended up doing with these are my leftovers so far, with that packet. And if you're watching this in the future after that video is already made, then I will leave a link to it in the description. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this haul and me showing you the cards that I made. Have a great day. Toodles.